I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2006 Toyota Corolla S 1.8 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil and the oil filter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. A universal oil pan drain plug wrench, 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, cup type oil filter wrench, flat tip screwdriver, funnel, my engine oil drain pan. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. Oil filter, 5 quarts of 530 conventional oil, and a can of BG MOA engine oil treatment. Okay, first we're going to be opening up the oil filler cap. Pretty tight. So I'm going to get it started with my plier. Okay. So we're going to be putting in my funnel. Now we're going to be going under the vehicle. So I'm going to be removing my oil pan drain plug. So I'm going to be putting back my oil pan drain plug. The washer is stuck onto the oil pan. Just leave it, use it. Nothing wrong with reusing that old washer. So now I'm going to be putting back the drain plug. So now we're going to be removing the oil filter. So I'm going to be using my cup type oil filter wrench, and I'm going to be unscrewing the filter. So I'm going to be putting on my new filter, but first I'm going to be putting some oil around my rubber seal. It's just so that when you spin it on, it just slides right on. Now we're going to be checking out the block side. Make sure there's no rubber seal stuck on the engine side. If there is, remove it. On this one, there's no rubber seal stuck on it, so just wiping it down. Now I'm going to be screwing my filter on. So I'm going to be putting in my engine oil. So I'm going to be adding a can of MOA. So I'm going to be removing the funnel. I'm going to be putting on my oil filler cap. Tighten it up. Make it real tight. You don't want this thing vibrating loose. I lowered the vehicle. Now I'm going to start it up. Let it run for a little while. Okay, that should be good enough. Can turn them off. So now we're going to check the engine oil level. The dipstick is in the front of the motor, so we're going to be pulling it out, wiping it down, sticking it back in, pull it out, check the level. Perfect on the full mark. So that's how you change the engine oil and the oil filter. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.